Okay. So today is day one, replacing PhysX5 with Jolt Physics. I haven't really looked in depth at how to use the exact APIs just yet of Jolt. So I'll have to go through and figure out and replace everything that my game uses from PhysX in the past. Now, right now the state is the game compiles, it runs. Right now there's nothing going on because PhysX is essentially disabled. Because PhysX5 is gone, all the code from that was deleted and now disabled. So now I need to figure out how to stand up Jolt. I'll be looking at the samples that it provides to do that. Okay. All right, here's some old PhysX code to be replaced. Alright, here's the hello world just to get the basics going. Alright. Fair enough. To get things started, probably easy enough to just copy the whole thing out and then see how it goes from there. Up to here. So that should be enough to initialize everything. Okay. Let's trace a global. Oh, there is a global. Okay. Sure thing. I have my own log, of course. Really? What is this? Ooh, I can assert have this go from my code. Okay. Okay. I dig it. But what is this? Okay. Some debug builds, so on. Good. Good. which means might as well take us to. An expression message. Okay. Seems good. Why not? Now this thing. What is that? It seems like that. Actually surprised I didn't find it on its own. Alright. Oh my. Okay. I got a BRB. Be right back. Nature calls. Okay, back in business. There you go. Now, where was I? Before I was rudely interrupted. Hey, Mampo. It's Jolt time indeed. No, I really only wanted to for one thing, which is clothing simulation on CPU. PhysX unfortunately doesn't have that. It only has GPU sim, and only on certain video cards. So I'm not altogether that happy about that. Huh, doesn't find that. Let's see, I think I can just grab these header files. Okay. Now, I'm not a big fan of all the C++ modern stuff, that interface that it has. Everything's a freaking getter, even for simple Vec3, but beggars can be choosers. Okay. What is... Okay. Now this one is... Let's turn up some custom stuff. Do I have to have it? Maybe. Between object and broad phase layers. Let's read up on that one more time. So broad phase is the coarse detection, sure. Narrow is the detailed, fine. Fine. So what into layers? Broad phase layer. Drapes and sponza. Oh yeah. I think I saw somebody do that on X. Somebody did that, some engine somewhere. I forget the name of the engine now. But yes, I definitely saw somebody do that exact thing with Jolt, attaching it to the sponza drapes. Yeah, wicked engine, that's right. Actually, I even asked him at the time, like, how many triangles were on each. I was curious about performance. Okay. So layers. So what the hell is a layer? It's divided in layers. Each layer has its own box. Oh. Uh-huh. I see. Oh, that's cute. That's cute, so you can control general groups of bodies. Okay. Okay, I see. I see. Yeah, this is more or less what I'm been reading about Jolt. It feels like going from OpenGL to Vulkan, much like going from PhysX to Jolt. Okay. Okay. Yeah, for now, just starting with just 2 layers is fine. Yeah. Why not? Actually, because my world is made up of like world chunks, I could potentially even have different layers for those, because they'll be grouped together. That's something. So PhysX required virtual interfaces, and now this one will as well. Okay. Wonder if I need this or not. In layer. So just an int. Oh, just wrap around ends. Okay. I guess. Yeah, pretty much. If I was looking just like a quick little tutorial setup, then sure, just quickly going through will be easy enough. But in this case, it's going to be backbone for a lot of things. Right now, I even use PhysX just for mouse clicks, or even like detecting where the paths are. So I kind of need to understand it a little better. Although I gotta wonder, is it just an int? Is it good enough? Something like this. Probably, right? Yeah. Okay, whatever. Yeah, just wrap around a byte. Okay. But yeah, it does need to move. So we'll get that out of the way. Object layer. So really, the phase layer is more like a volume, just a logical volume. And then each body has an object layer. It's basically just like groups in PhysX. I'm just curious. Jolt Physics, terms. No. No, whatever. But yeah, sounds like an object layer group ID. Yeah. Yeah. That's exactly what it is. Defines a mapping. Can only be in one layer. Oh. Let's keep it as a final. It's not complete pain. Now object layer. Might as well keep this object layer. What's it complaining about? So weird. Oh, I did the wrong thing. No wonder it's complaining. Okay. No, I think this is a phase layer. Lore for Selfish, that's comes from philosophy of Ayn Rand, which is my philosophy. And so, informally, the name of the game right now is Selfish Heroes. And so everything in my code base is under Selfish. Sometimes I do as G in the past, sometimes as G namespace, code name, but no, I just put one word, just Selfish. If I ever form the company official, it'll be called Selfish Games. And that's what SG would stand for then. But for now, Selfish is good enough. But this is not actually object layer, this is the phase layer. Right? This is a phase layer, yeah. So return phase layer. Hey, Run Pro, thanks for the sub. Looks like it's on YouTube's. Now here they just say layers. And here they say object layers. Wait. This is object layer to object layer. I need a different part. I need the part where it's object to broad face. Yeah. Yeah, now it makes sense. You see, now they have different ones. Okay. I can get behind that. now just duplicating anyway. But yeah, it would make sense because now you can go here. Now I can cast that. Yeah, it's music from Streamlabs, I think, Streamlab music. One of the categories. This one I could cast into... You know what, let me just spell it out. Oh, it's already taken. Fine, keep it that for now. Right. Why is it complaining? It's just an int, right? Oh, maybe I have to do get value in this particular case. Why do I need to do that on this one? Oh, because this one is straight up cast to a type. Was this is a class? Alright. Okay. It's not moving. I mean, is that ever not true? Yeah, it's pretty much... Now that they do it here is if it's not... Oh, I see what they're doing. They're disabling interaction between non-moving and non-moving. I see. So non-moving to non-moving can just be set to false, otherwise it's true. Sure. Sure. And if we're going for moving against... that would be true in every case. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Now same thing, but now it's object to object. Okay. Okay. See why it's doing the impl. So it's like 2 level of groupings. Okay. Okay. Tiny virtual there. Now object layer. Against the other object layer. I think it's the same thing again. Moving, non-moving, false. Otherwise true. Now I do have multiple groups myself, so this will need to be extended pretty quickly. Because I have do have collision later somewhere that I had. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, because I already have on 7 groups. So I'm gonna make a note here. Expand to support. Good enough for now. Okay. Now that will actually help, because I can break these two into different groups between statics and everything else. Okay. Okay. Why was it complaining? Fix that header file. Now, body activation listener. I don't need this for now. Well, I don't need this now at all. Maybe in the future. Contact listener makes sense. That I do need. That I do need. Yeah, extend all that. Sure it's all final. Yep. Oh, it's been a while since I've written any classes in my code. It's been a while. Mm-hmm. So that's a third level of filtering. Okay. By default, they all accepted. We should be good enough for now. I don't need the rest that I know. Once I add sounds to object hitting each other, yeah, I'll need that. I'll have to see if this contact listener global or local. Hey, Mamer. I'm actually coding just for myself. And streaming just for fun. The end goal is really just to make my game. And YouTube before that is just a little gravy on top. If it helps a little bit in the future to market my game, then that's good. And if not, just means I can occasionally chat with some people here and there. I'm not really a streamer as such. Okay, don't need the rest. No, this body interface. That I will need freaking everywhere. I'm gonna need to put that into a singleton component. But I want to do it somewhere else. I want to do it where I have access to the world. Wait, 3 people on your channel? Damn, that's like a million times more than usually. It's usually at 0. So I don't think it's actually 3. I think primarily the reason I'm on YouTube is just to collect subs on YouTube, so that if I do this for like the next 2 years, I'll have more of a game audience for when the demo is out or game is out. Yeah, so now I can do sure, let's see. I guess this is fine for now, but do I need to move this somewhere? Because I don't want no getters. So let's keep this one here. Yeah, take care, man. Enjoy pursuing whatever you're going after as well. Okay, we have that. So that, I think, actually finishes the initialization parts. I might as well do the cleanup. Cleanup. This looks like the cleanup. By the way, what the hell is this factory? Okay. Let's see, shut down, yeah. That's what I need. Oh, rare time we actually need to initialize a variable. I wonder if I actually need to go new on this thing. Do I have to? Oh, it has memory underneath it anyway because it uses the maps. And I'm guessing these are, yeah, of course. So factory itself is a pretty small object, so I'm not gonna win anything by keeping it local. Can I go outside into external memory anyway? Whatever. Alright. So let's see if I actually get started and shut down. I'm actually curious. I was replacing physics with Jolt. What effect did it have on the full build from scratch? I think usually the build takes about 14 seconds, 13 to 14 seconds. Use unique pointer for that. It doesn't really, it's not gonna help in my case. Man. Freaking Jolt, of course, because of C++ interface, set it 4 seconds to the full build from scratch time. So the reason the unique pointer is not going to help me a whole lot is because the object itself, physical world, is never being newed. It's being created statically in the very beginning and gets deleted. And nobody really calls delete on this object, it's deleted as part of a bigger object. So if I wait too long to free up physics, it's going to be too late. Oh, Jolt. Oh, Jolt. I think I know why it's taking so much longer to compile. I might have to deal with this stuff. So let's do this. Let's at least try. And not have the build take forever. Okay. This is why I don't like C++ libraries. The header is just complete pain to process. Absolute pain. GBH. Oh, it's a body ID. No, I'll keep it at that. And GBH. It should lead to a better build time once I correct all the errors. Let's see. Yeah. Really, bro? I'm not loving this extra build time. Let's see if I can reduce to something more useful. It's such a pain. Can I just say this here? I don't remember. Is this allowed? No, that doesn't particularly help. Fine, let's keep it like that. Gonna give me a hint? Oh, I'd have to edit myself. This sucks. Alright. It's this. Oh, don't be complaining. I already edited you the header file. And it still complains. Why? Oh, right. Go catch. Right, Jolt Physics, of course. Yeah. No, touching components is always expensive. That triggers compilation of the whole planet. Alright, let's do another test. Because I know when I replace, I'm pretty sure the Flex library is costing me 4 seconds of a build time out of 14 seconds. And Jolt adds another 4 seconds. God damn it. Alright, that shaved off a couple of seconds off the build, so it's a little less painful, but... Oh yeah. Alright, fine. Fine. I have a bunch of components, most of them just what you expect, primarily just bodies, shapes, some joints occasionally. Here's actors for colliders and bones, specifically, like on character attachments, and then the body pointer. Actually, that reminds me. I might as well. Where is it? I'm gonna grab the no lock and suffer the consequences. Because right now I work on the same thread anyway. Alright, let's see if it actually runs. Just initialize at least. Snapple. Interesting. Different defines. Yeah, I don't want to use body ID because body ID requires locking. And I don't want to grab a mutex every time I grab an object. That just sounds like insanity. What is mismatch? I wonder. Am I supposed to carry something with me? Come from like a configuration file. Yeah, I think this is how it checks if everything is the same. Okay. Does this mean yes, in CMake it likes to set its own definitions, and I'm not following that, so it's gonna complain and moan. I mean, that almost makes me want to bring in using fetch content in CMake, but not really. Okay. How about this then? I can just bring the stuff that it wants, which are only just 4 anyway. Always a bunch of extra work, of course. Don't I usually get infinite and NAND floating point? Well, exceptions of floating points? Honestly, I don't know. I've never particularly looked into it too hard. What does it actually mean? It really means it goes through intrinsics as opposed to just get the value. Oh yeah, to avoid divisions by 0 and stuff. Yeah, like it copies one of the values into the last one. Yeah, it really just means avoiding division by 0 as far as I can see. That's all it's doing. I mean, it's cute, I guess. Not sure if it really fixes a whole lot of stuff or not. Is there anything else? Yeah, they just shove something into the 4th element. That's cute, it's alright. So looks like the difference is I compiled it with exceptions on. So looks like I just need to enable it too. Let's do a test. There should be one less complaint now. One less. It's actually quite a nice catch to have to find the differences in the macros. Because otherwise you can get some real weird behavior if there's a mismatch. Let's go on again. Let's see. Oh yeah, it crashed later. It didn't crash there. Oh yeah, it crashes in the registration of types. That's right. Let's see. Yeah, there's one less. Excellent. So I'll just add this. Sure thing. You want it, you got it. All the things I do just to have pretty cloth on the character. So it's really just hassle. Because PhysX does completely fine as is. Yeah, some bindings. I know they have some, but I was gonna assume that anytime you add layers between a library and something else, there's always gonna be more pain points, something's gonna be out of date, something's gonna be broken. And who knows what else. Oh, yeah. Yeah, of course. Because this one has a conditional. There you go. Be happy. So far my physics is fairly simple, just little particles flying around. The most complicated part will be the hair simulation. That actually creates actors and constraints or joints in physics. Alright, let's see. Any other complaints? No. We're finally good on that part. Oh, I meant to move this into, hold on, no. This whole thing needs to be moved. Make sure it's around. Constructor yet. Have to provide custom constructors now. Okay. Wait, how did I pass? Is this passed anywhere? Hold on a second. Oh, these are passed as part of the update stuff. That's why I haven't used them yet. Okay. Okay. Their time will come. Their time will come. Fun fact, when I pulled down Jolt, I was using 5.0, and that did not compile at all, so I had to run with the latest master instead. Interesting. What did it think was null? This is why I don't like modern C++. It always asks for size. Fine. So exec return null. Oh, this thing was null. Oh. Yeah, see, my code doesn't rely on constructors at all. So constructors might get called very early on before anything is actually ready to get them. So these guys use global function to hook into different parts of our system. So you can pretty much force to make it a dynamic object. Son of a gun. All just a delay when it gets allocated. Oh, what you doing? Somewhere here, right? Is this not right? Yeah, I mean, yeah, news of, I mean, it's the libraries have to go along with what it's doing, but yeah, just, I'm guessing that, I'm actually curious, who allocates this thing? Who assigns it? Probably need to search in our system. Yeah, so that only works after calling register. That's why it doesn't work. And of course it's gonna be painful. Oh, I'm doing the wrong. Oh, hold on a second. I was messing the wrong part. No. This was the 10 megabyte one. Right? Yeah. It's for the temp allocator. Okay, okay. The thing is, a library like Jolt, even if you don't call new some of its object, doesn't particularly matter a whole lot because it will do its own thing anyway. Yeah, see, all the memory allocation they do only happens after calling register default. So they're just forcing you moving everything into the pointer style. Fine. Alright. No choice. Okay. At least now I can go back to just having default constructor. The constructor is only nice if you're using new deletes everywhere. If you don't use malloc, dynamic memory allocation, they're just getting away. Let's see what's the next problem. Curious by the way. Because this in of itself, all these objects are tiny. They just allocate a giant block of memory past that. Okay. No complaints, no complaints. Let's check the shutdown. Okay. Yeah, the way I've been taking approach is that if I just have something simple like components, just about every component I have is a struct. So if it's something super simple, it's all struct. Now once I have some more complicated objects that do a bunch of things, in that case I do use a class. Because I do like the private section, being able to hide a few things here and there. That's my breakdown. Okay. So Jolt starts and shuts down. So that's progress. Rule of 5. I think rule of 5 is outdated. That was the only good idea some maybe 10 years ago. Now it's more like rule of 7 or more. Hey, near sharper update. Let's do that. Yeah, skip. Go. I didn't have a URL link to see what the update was, but I'll grab it. Well, this installs, let's see. C++, rule of 7. Yep, it keeps changing. 3, 5, 0, whatever. Wasn't there more? Rule of 7 plus minus 2. And if even this was some 10 years ago, what is it now? Core guidelines. Or maybe 6. That's funny. That is funny. We're done. Alright, back into it. Now, before I started, I did measure the time it took for PhysX to run per frame, which is about like half a millisecond. We'll see what it will be for Jolt. I'm kind of worried that in debug build, usually C++ code is pretty slow. We'll see how it compares. All right. So now we have this. Now it's from to get interesting. God, I have this whole 2000 line of file I just completely commented out. I have a lot of stuff to bring back. Okay. I'm not even sure if it has Jolt has a scene. I don't think it does. I think you just add a body straight up, like it's nobody's business. Yeah, just still call create body. Yeah, because PhysX has scenes to separate out, whereas Jolt wants you to create separate physics systems instead. Yeah, okay, that's fine. I was only using one scene anyway. Okay. Okay. Easy enough. No, I don't care about no scene. All the stuff was really specific. Yeah, don't care about any of this either. So now it's going to be interesting. So let's see. What's the easiest thing to test? Let's look at some prefabs. What kind of shape does he use? He uses composite shape for a box. So I need to bring back online any kind of system that does this. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. We'll have to see how they do trigger stuff. Okay. Create shape from description. That sounds useful. Yeah, shapes are handled differently in Jolt as far as I've seen. Creating bodies, that's easy enough. Shapes. Okay. Mesh shape. Box shape. I mean, I like to call new everywhere, like. Now the good news is I can replace This default allocator of my own. So in the future I could have it run off of my memory, but that's for later. So I think this is fine. Create a shape. I haven't released any materials even for PhysX yet, so we'll see how this turns out. I don't need this at all. Yeah, I suppose that's true. Probably use that 10 megabyte thing. Although, actually, I don't think so. Because temporary allocator is only passed when you call update. So I'm gonna assume that only gets called into that thing. And if you're just doing a call new shape, I better go somewhere else. Let me see. If we go shape, new delete. Yeah, calls allocate. Yeah, this goes into your regular one, which is assigned by your regular register one, right? Yeah. Jolt Physics allocate. Yeah. Now this, so yeah, regular shapes will be called if malloc or new. They're not gonna use temporary at all. One of many gotchas. I'm actually gonna rename this one because of that. I'll call this frame allocator. Something like that. Now because of ref counting in that system, it means like you probably cannot even hold that shape on a stack because eventually it will want to be deleted. Such a pain. Now here's all the magic. Creating all the composite shape. But the thing is, PhysX supported multiple shapes per body. Whereas Jolt, I think, only supports a single shape at a time, and then you have to stack them. There's S shape and that's it. We'll have to see. I'll have to see on that. Some basic conversions. Yeah, GPH. Rotation. Man, I might as well create a helper for that. Oh, the wonders of interfacing multiple libraries. And they of course want to have their own stuff. And oftentimes they have them in different layouts too. So oftentimes you can't even do a straight up copy. Because here comes the pain of the end, because it's gonna be sort of simple accessors, it's all about through the getters. Wait. No, that's correct. I guess here should be fine. Yeah. This one is the opposite. This is get W first. They have different layouts. So I'm curious on the layout of this guy. What comes first? X or W? Yeah, okay. So this one is normal, but GLM does W first. Just to make it exciting. The funny part is if you swap W and X, rotation look kinda okay for a while, just kinda wonky. So it doesn't even come up immediately as a problem. My initial project had like a month, had the bad rotations for a while. If you're just spinning boxes, you don't particularly notice the difference. Alright. This whole thing was to do what? To do this. Right. Alright. Time to see how to create them shapes. Box shape. No? Doesn't find it yet. It's just being painful. Oh, it's because it treats as an external header of my project. That's why it doesn't see the types as easily as it otherwise would. That's annoying. Or sharper. Really? Still not gonna. Is it buddy? No, I think it's collision. Shape, box shape. Now it finally sees it. I think the actual thing I need to do is give it the settings and not results. Right. Something like this. Stance. Oh, it does have a material here. Okay, it's good to know for the future. We'll just grab this. Okay, this really just did. Oh, this feels like being a web dev. Just Why go for all this trouble? It's a ref. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Oh, you have to do, how do you do multiples? Let me see. I want to know. No, they have the shape. I need to see an example. No. I was really hoping. Okay. What the hell? Oh, I see. So that's the root shape, and it does something to the child shape. Really? Really? So that's what I need to do. I see. So this extends. Okay. Okay. That's what I need. Really? Oh, I was gonna complain, of course. I need to solve this. I don't want to be typing up like this every time. Free type. Oh yeah, I don't have free type here either. Whatever. Pose settings. Oh, what do we got? Oh, I can pass shape settings to the child shape. Oh, that's funny. So I was doing all this separate thing, but doesn't even use mat4. It just wants this straight up. Like it's nobody's business. Now this would be doing this, right? Oops. Okay. Okay. oriented box shape. Okay. Technically, I would be returning this boy. Hello, it needs a ref. It needs a ref. Let's save and one create at least. I think I can wipe this out. I think. Does it want a pointer? I think it wants a pointer. Okay. I mean, I could just return a ref. I wonder. Does that even work? What does it do in copy? Assignment operators. It does do the add ref. So I guess that works. And the semi-null pointer converts. Okay. I'll do other shapes later. And once I see that things are happy and work as is. Let's make it trigger right away. Don't need any of this. It's wanting it. Oh yeah, this was just to get this call to work. We have this. Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing. The whole thing is composite shape to have multiple shapes. Can I attach a shape to a shape? Like if I have this guy. This one doesn't have a child thing at all. Steady compound shape. Subshapes can be rotated and translated. Settings. This one does actually take a allocator, so that's good. That's good. Compound shape settings. Oh, there you go. That'd be helpful for once. That's good. That's helpful. Oh yeah, add shape. Settings. Yeah. That's exactly what I need. That's exactly what I need. Okay. Alright. Go forth and procreate. Okay. So I need yeah. That's what I want. Number of shapes, sub-shapes. Where has a default thing? What does it want from me? Oh, right. It needs a static thing. Compound shape settings. Right then. Righty. Okay. Oh, static. Yeah, it'll allow access to static. To temporary memory allocator. Okay. So that's good. Wait a second. You have to create a shape first before you can. Where did I see this? On the shape. Oh, right. It's a base class. That's a freaking. Then why didn't it see? Yeah, I should see it. There you go. Oh. Shape settings. My box shape settings on a stack, so I can't really have a pointer because it will be invalid. Oh, that sucks. I think I have to create a real shape. Yeah, I'll have to create a real shape. Sucks. So that will be at the end to combine it all. What the hell's going on? Yeah. And this one here, I'm gonna assume it address it. Let's just break. I think this is good. Yeah. Temporary. Why am I not seeing it? Oh, I called the frame allocator. Really? Really had to be a ref? Okay. Seems reasonable enough. Alright, so now that will come out as a shape. It already exists. How do I touch a shape? Okay. It just didn't show it. That's cool. Box shape. We have a floor shape. What the hell's that? Ref const. A ref counted object on the stack. Oh, okay, that's useful. I see. I see. So it'll probably crash until I call this. Okay. Okay. Where do I attach the shape? Sure would like to see it. Oh, it's in the body creation settings. I see. Okay. Okay. Oh, I get it. I get it. Which means anytime I change shape, I have to destroy the body and recreate it with a new shape. Okay. Yes, if it's already there, you should just put interface. Bro, what did I call it? Oh, I put it in only in that one. Let's see. I need to save this one locally too. Oh, it's body interface. I called it .dm. Yeah. I have to decide if I need to hold a ref on this guy or not. Probably not. I thought there was a release ref somewhere on it. Is it not? Oh, it's release only if it's a ref. I see. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. So that should be now here. Bro. Shape. And the position. you're not happy about? Motion type and object layer. This is for static. Yeah. Oh, and get assign a type in here too. Interesting. Interesting, that's different. So I'll need collider, collision rule. Yeah. I'll have to rethink the way I do collision rules, because Jolt does it differently. And for now, I can just set it as 0. Jolt specifies something differently from PhysX. Thinking required here. Create body, I see. Create and add body. Do this. Right. Tone activate, interesting. Hey Manpower, take care. Good night. Jolt's gonna take probably at least 3 full days of working to bring all the features up and running. Maybe more. Probably might be a whole week. Okay. Sounds reasonable. Oh yeah. Oh, compile time is so much longer now with Jolt. Oh my goodness. Not the happiest camper. Let's see. None of it even got anywhere. Interesting. Was no collision rule in this thing? Oh, there's no collision rule in this case. So I need to make this optional. There you go. Let us see. Looks like we got something. Wasn't normalized. Oh, right. It's probably wants some initialization here. So at least user data should work. Should. Yeah, looks all right. Good. So that works. Now what I want is to confirm that it's there. I need to, well, this is progress. First, bound shape, setting body. What I need is probably delete all this. For sure. This can go away, the location might need. the thing. Oh yeah, I need mesh from shape for navigation mesh, but debug lines first. Let's do debug lines first. So I can actually see the shape in the world. Right? Right. Who calls it? Here. This is for static. This is for dynamic. Static again. Oh. This is for regular one. Let's bring this online. Yeah. Does it have a scale? No, it doesn't have a scale. Okay. Okay. We have this. It's only ever gonna have one shape. Let's see. Do you have access to shape? Get shape. Ooh, get transform shapes. What is that? Transform shape. Yeah, that looks right. Yeah, that would do everything I need. I think all bodies have shapes. Ooh, okay, triangle straight up. That's nice. Okay. Here's an example. Not really. Something like this. Oh, this is different context. No, it's not. It's the same type. Okay. These offsets. Okay. Does not have just a 0. Oh, it has 0. Right, right. Oh, that's cute. It's also kind of big. Right. Raw. Yes, yes. Yes. Oh yeah, I should have just pushed that in here. It's gonna be probably in the world already. Just doing that is enough. Hold on, be right back. some water. Okay. Let's see. So I'll keep this here as a reference of what to do. Now it looks like in this case I don't have to do transformations to world space. Should already be in world space. Right, right. If so, this is actually quite nice. If it's gonna give me triangles just like that for nothing, that'll be amazing. Lines and lines. Okay. Oh, it's static. No. Not gonna be static. For I require you. Boy, Visual Studio IntelliSense getting my way. I can probably still keep this ignored. It's pretty sweet if I don't need all this code. Because that was a pain. I had to go to Blender to create all the vertices. It needs to be seen. Request. Many tries at once. Where the hell's being used? Right here. X to float. What? What front door is this? Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a VAC3 essentially there. I see. I see, okay. That'll do. Let's go. Rock and roll. Okay. Can I call non-leaf shapes? Use collect transform shapes. Collect leaves first. Well, boo. Boo on you. Absolutely boo on you. Okay. Let's go hunt. As to what the front door is this. Does it exist? Collect transformed shapes. Okay. Collector. This is a big thing. How big is it? It's in the shape. Is abstract. Really? No, it's not. Collector. Oh wait, I have to implement this myself? Really? Which is the... None of it is virtual. I didn't think. But it is abstract. Add hit as a pure virtual. Yeah. Alrighty then. What the hell is here? That looks like a shape. That looks like a shape. Get shape. Uh-huh. Transform shape. It's probably a pointer, right? No? Oh, it's in the ref. It's a const. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. Whatever it is. This thing result type. Oh, actually is. Just full on copy, really? There's a reference here. It's a reference to shape, okay. Okay. So I can do this. Shapes. Okay, collector. So then ship index. Yes. That looks right. That looks right. Collector, we got one shape. Alright folks, looks like it's time to take a break for now. I shall continue the Jolt journey tomorrow. Almost get close to it. Maybe actually make this work. Let's see if it actually works. No, it hates me. Why does it hate me? Why does it hate me? Triangle start. Does look like a bogus Focus thing. That looks okay. Inbox looks. Shape rotation. No, this whole object is dead somehow. It is completely dead. Let's try this again. Yeah, that looks better. I might have to get body ideas. Yeah, because here looks good. Oh, maybe it's actually a ref. Because here looks good. However, once you get to here, I think the pointer is dead now. Yeah, it just doesn't survive. It doesn't survive a transition. Alright, I'll have to figure this out tomorrow, folks. Thanks for watching.